guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be revamping this 360 wig here. As you can see, it is 360 degrees all the way around, full lace, and I am going to revamp this wig. We're going to color it and cut it, so just keep watching, you guys. We are sectioning her out so that we can apply the bleach. I'm using my 10 volume developer with my single lift Paul Mitchell bleach, and I am going to apply this in sections, you guys, not going to the roots as of yet because the roots do actually process faster than the bottom. So I'm going to start mid shaft and then I'm going to work my way up. Okay, you guys, now that the bleach is applied completely all over the hair, we're going to go in and tone it. Okay, we're going to get that brassiness out of this hair. My client does want this a little bit more on the browner side, so I'm going to take my Wella, I think this is Wella T11, and I'm going to apply this all over the hair. The hair is still damp, you guys, so it's best when you are toning the hair to apply when it's damp. So I'm going to apply this all over and let this process, watching the hair as the toner processes, such so I don't actually make it too dark. Okay, you guys, the toner is applied now. I did wash everything out, and this is how the color looks, and I've actually cut it as well off camera. So I'm gonna go ahead and style it. And as you can see here, you guys, I am going ahead and taking my pictures and recording it for social media. So this is how I do my images when I get ready to upload them. So I'm going to take my heat seal from Paul Mitchell. I'm also going to use my Garnier Fructis flat iron spray, and I'm going to brush this through. I am going to actually add a little bit of gloss to it, so I'm going to use my Argan Oil from Nature, Cream of Nature. I'm going to apply that all over the hair, you guys, and I'm going to go ahead and, you know, flat iron and curl it. So I'll just let you guys keep watching. Also, you guys, if you are actually interested in custom units or wigs, I do have that available on my website at beautybundlez.com. That's BEAUTE bundles with a Z.com. Information is in the description bar down below. So if you're interested in a custom wig or just the wig in general, bundles, whatever you need, I got you. Check it out on my website, you guys. We do have the easy pay option. So I have, you know, pay in installments available. So if you want to, you know, get ready for Christmas, you know, or get a Christmas present and you just don't have the coins to pay for it right now, you guys, easy pay option is just like layaway, only you get your stuff now and pay it later. How good is that? Okay, you guys, we are now finished curling her, and this is the final results after we finish curling it. So I'm just gonna go through and feather everything out and also add a little bit of layers inside the fringe area, which is, you know, the bangs. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this with my shears, and then I'm gonna go actually and comb through it a little bit more, and then I'll be back to show you guys how you cut the lace when you are actually getting ready to, you know, give out your units, or you know, if you're shipping it out or if they're picking it up, whatever the case might be. Oh, you guys, this is my favorite stick. It is by Eben. It is their wax stick. You guys, they have different smells to it, and oh my goodness, y'all, I love it. It does the job. So I'm just taking my hot comb and just combing everything down, making everything flat and seamless. And yeah, I'll be back, you guys. Y'all, it's the cut for me, okay? It is the cut for me. Now, you guys, we about to cut this lace off. So I start off by cutting with just some regular scissors, and then I take my eyebrow pencil, sorry y'all, my eyebrow razor, and I go ahead and take this just to make it a jagged edge. You do not want a straight edge. You don't want it to look like a wig. You know, you just don't. So that's why I'm using my eyebrow razor, and because it basically makes it like a jaggedy edge. So I'm gonna cut the lace all the way around, from the front to the back. You guys, my client wants this unit already, you know, just ready to go, ready to install it. So I'm going to go ahead and cut everything off to make her life a little bit easier. Guys, the lace is cut off of her, and so this is the final results. You guys, if you did enjoy this video, you already know what to do. Thumbs this video up, you guys. Subscribe to the channel if you have not already done so, and share this video with a friend. You guys, this cut is phenomenal though, okay? Phenomenal. But anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, stay tuned for the next video.